last week I was pleased to congratulate Calum Greatorex, an apprentice working at Carpenter and Paterson's in Welshpool, who recently won the Apprenticeship of the Year for Skills Academy Wales as a Level 3 apprentice. Also good to speak with Leighton Rowlands Jones and Spencer Roberts, also apprentices at the company. The company in Welshpool is well established. It's involved in business design and manufacturing of products for industries such as power generation, renewable energy and nuclear. The workforce is currently made up of approximately 12% of apprentices. It was also good to meet with Myrick Training, a not-for-profit company that helps to support businesses linked with apprentices and also offers apprentices from level 2 through to and including level 5. Now, they do have concerns with the Welsh Government's draft budget and in regards to the proposed budget cuts in regards to apprenticeships. So I wonder, First Minister, if you could outline what discussions you've had with apprenticeship providers about these concerns, because I'm sure you'll agree with me, we need to back apprenticeships in Wales in order to increase and future talent as well and success, such as the story of Calum Greatorex.
Well, thank Russell George for that, Llywydd, and of course congratulate the young people that he has referred to. It is great to hear of a firm that has 12% of its workforce as apprenticeships, because they are, as he said, young people who will be learning the skills that they will need for the future. And the Welsh Government will go on. We will spend over £400 million in apprenticeships over this Senedd term. The next financial year, we will continue to invest £138 million, as you see in the draft budget. Now, of course, the Minister and the Finance Minister have been listening carefully to the points that have been made by committees, including Russell George's committee, during the scrutiny process, and will be looking to see where there are any changes that can be made when the final budget is brought before the Senedd. But as the member will know, right around the Senedd, there have been calls for additional funding for a whole range of purposes, and that has included apprentices. We continue to be in dialogue with all 10 providers. All 10 providers are active in mid-Wales. Officials held a meeting with all 10 of them earlier this month in order to plan ahead and to make the very best use of the very significant investment in this important area that is still there in the budget proposals for next year.